Hello everyone. So let's continue the part 2 in building or in creating the Ladybug chase game. So our next is we're going to display the energy level. We're going to energy level of the Ladybug by a red bar in a second canvas. So the line will be one pixel high, and it's with the same number of pixels as the Ladybug's energy. So which range from from 200 fed to 0 dead. Okay, so we're going to add component. So in the designer, we're going to create a new canvas dito sa designer. Drawing tayo, create tayo, yan. So we're going to place the canvas beneath the filled canvas and name it energy. Yan, energy canvas. So rename natin tong canvas. Energy canvas. Energy canvas. Yan, malilit ba? Para i-zoom nyo na lang class ha. Energy canvas. I-zoom nyo na lang sa mga ninyo. Sa mga cellphone ninyo kung okay. So energy canvas yung ating file name. Then after that, we're going to change the properties of this canvas. Yung kanyang width is fill parent. With fill parent tayo. Fill parent. Yan. Then okay. And then yung height niya is to 1 pixel lang siya. So yung height is to 1 pixel. Yan. So ganyan lang kaliit yung line natin. So, next is we're going now to create a variable energy. So mag-create tayo ng variable energy. Saan tayo mag-create? Sa block section tayo. So we have here, mag-change tayo ng tawag dito section. So dito tayo sa block section. Okay, so ito na yung part we're going to set now a variable. Okay, so how to set a variable? So dito tayo sa ating mga built-in blocks. Yan. We're going to initialize global name to. Okay. So sabi natin kanina, we're going to set from 200 yung ating variable. So yung ating name ng variable natin is energy. Energy. Wrong spelling, sorry. Energy. Yan, yung energy. Then for the range niya is from 200. Okay. And so click and drag from 200. Yan. So we're going to place there para maging maayos siya. Now let's move on to the next step. Yan. So illustrates that when you define the variables, new set and get blocks are created for it that you can access by mouse over the variable name. So as you can see, pag ginanyan natin, pagka meron tayong gustong i-get or i-set dito, lagay nyo lang dito, calling by the variables. Yan, i-click nyo lang yung mouse over nyo lang dito, magpapakita tong mga to. Alright, so when the mouse is over a variable, the initialize global block can drag out the set of the block and get blocks for the variables. Okay, so yun sinabi ko kanina. Alright, now let's draw the energy bar. Yan, energy bar na tayo. So let's create the line. Draw energy bar tayo. So we want to communicate the energy level with the red bar. So in this, which has the length in a pixel equal to energy value. So do the we could create two similar set of block as the following. So let's first draw the line. Set the blocks. Draw a red line from 0 to 0, or from 0 and 0 to energy 0 in filled canvas to show the current energy level. So, ito na yun. Yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, draw a white line from 0 and ito yung gagawin natin mamaya. So, 0 to energy canvas that with 0. So, isa-isahin natin mamaya itong mga to dito sa ating mga steps So however, a better alternative is to create a procedure that can draw a line of any length and any color in the field canvas. So to do this, you must specify two parameter, the length and color. So we're going to tawag dito, gagayahin natin to later on. So we're going to set the length and color dito. When our procedure is called, just as we needed to specify the parameter values, in Molmash when he called the built-in random integer procedure. So, random integer procedure. So, here the steps for creating the draw lines procedure. So, ito, gagawin natin. Ito yung steps natin. So, let's do it. So, let's proceed to from the drawer, we're going to select the procedure and select this one. Yan, procedure. Click and drag, sabi niya dun kanina. Click and drag over here. And then, tawag dito, ang gagawin natin dito is we're going to set to procedure to draw energy line. Okay? Palitan natin siya ng draw energy line. Ito, copyin ko na nga lang ito para hindi na ako magta-type. Yan. Lagyan natin dyan. Okay? Sorry. Makopya ko ba? Hindi. Copy. Kasi ita-type na nga lang eh. Hindi mo pa ma-type. Okay. Yan na nga. Draw energy line. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to input, sabi natin kanina dyan, we're going to specify two parameters. Yung dalawang parameters natin, the length and color. So, kakailanganin natin to later on. So, length and color. So, paano ba yun? We're going to click this one. I-click natin yan. Yan. So, we're going to input X here. Dalawang X. Ayan. So, X1 and X2. And this one, we're going to set to length. Length. Ano ba yung length mo? Ayan. And then, itong isa is color. Okay? Color. Right. Next is, after nyan, we're going to select ano pa ba yung gagawin natin dyan? Yan. So, at the upper left, black square opens the figures. So, from the window input. Okay, so tapos na natin yan. So, repeat the second. You must go to beneath one of the length. Then, okay, tapos na. Next is, yan na. Maglalagay na tayo ng click the blue icon to close in between this field and rest the procedures ones. Alright, so we're going to add defining the procedure draw energy line. So we're going to define the procedure. So that's adding parameters tayo kanina. So now we're going to define the procedure draw energy line. Okay? So ano pang gagawin natin? We're going to set energy canvas, paint color to get color tayo. So, yung ating energy canvas, click natin yan. Yan, set energy canvas, click tayo dito. Paint color. Oh my God, bumibigay yung aking mata. May salamin ko. Pili natin yung paint color class. Ayun, paint color. Yan. We're going to set energy canvas to paint color. So, ito yung part kung saan, alam niyo yung loading. Pagka mag-load siya yung red color. Yan. So, energy canvas, paint color to get color. Get natin yung color. Ito, get color. Parang baliktad yung ating ko, ano. So, this is color. This color, then this is length. Yan. Is length. So, this one, tapat lang natin yan. Tapat lang natin tong point natin. Mouse over natin. Then, get, ito tong part nito. Get color. Click and drag over here. And then, we're going to call energy canvas draw line. So, get energy canvas draw line. Dito, yung procedure niya. Ayun. Bale, tama. Okay. Then, lagay natin dyan. And then, we're going to set into 0. 0 to 0. And, yan. Type na ko lang ng 0. Ayan. Lagay natin dito. Copy, paste. Ayan. Then, copy, paste. Lagay natin dyan. Then, this one, we're going to get the length. Get length. So, ilagay natin dito sa X2. Yan. Okay. So, now, you're getting the hang of creating your own procedure. So, let's also write a display energy procedures, that calls the energy line twice. Okay, so twice. Next one, twice. Energy line twice. Once to erase the old lines, yun yung function nito, and once to display the new lines, so once na naubos na yung parang nakabuhay nun, is maglo-load na naman siya, into red. So, we're going to call, dun sa procedure, call natin yung draw line, set natin dito, and then, we're going to set the color over here for white. Yan, white for tama. Over here, display energy. We're going to set another procedure. So, mag-create tayo ng another procedure for display energy pala. Sorry. Display energy pala. Yung next na gagawin natin. Display energy. And then we're going to get now the procedure for energy line. Draw energy line. Yan. And then, we're going to set for color white. Pagpaubos na. Ayan. And then, we're going to energy canvas width. Yung kanyang width. Energy canvas width tayo. Width. Ayan. Lagyan natin dyan. Then, call again for procedure, color. Once na naubos yun, we'll repeat to color red. Ayan. And then, we're going to get the energy for variables. Get, yan, for energy, global energy. Get natin yung variable for global energy. Ayan. So, everything is set. Let's move on. Ayan. After defining the procedure for display energy, let's proceed to next. We're now going to define the procedure for game over. Game over naman tayo. Create na ulit tayo ng procedure for game over. Game over. Yan. Game over. And now, we're going to set Ladybug enabled, set enabled, Ladybug, sorry. And enabled, yan, click natin dito for here, then copy paste na din tayo. Then let's move it here. And for set Ladybug enabled to false, yung logic natin, false, yan, true yung nilagay ko. I-false natin. Alright, then we're going to get the deadly once na nag-con na siya, nag-game over siya, so deadly bug yung magpapakita. So we're going to text here the image. Actually, meron tayong image. Delete na lang natin this one. Delete natin yan. Then we're go here at Ladybug. And Ladybug set, yan, ito, deadly. Click natin yan. Click and drag. Ayaw niya. Bakit? Okay. Bakit ayaw niya? Nangyari sa'yo. Ayaw niya. Ulit na. From Ladybug. And this one. Ayun, pwede na. Lagyan natin dyan. Then, picture. Okay. So, set Ladybug picture. Okay, next is, we're now work with the versions for, the second version of the procedure update Ladybug. So, we're going to, change, upgrade. Yan. Upgrade natin yung for the second version for, Ladybug procedure. Okay, so sisingitan natin to class, yung Ladybug. We're going to get now the variable energy to 1. So we have an example. We have ang tawag dito explanation here in updating the Ladybug, which as you might recall is called the clock, so the timer. So every 10 milliseconds the following will increment or decrement its energy level and display the new level and end the game if energy is 0. So yun yung mangyayari dito. You're going to set this one in here. Okay, so dun tayo sa variable, then click this one, isisingit natin dyan sa part na yan, tong sa may update Ladybug. And then we're going to set into globe energy, and we're going to use the math black for subtraction, yung may subtractions, yan, so that we can get the global energy here. So get global energy. So dito tayo sa variable, then get the global energy, yan, part na yan, and then subtract to 1, subtract to 1, this one, click this one, and then ayan, this is for you guys, class, sa inyo to, sana masundan nyo kahit mabagal siya. Okay, next is now we're going to call display energy. Call natin display energy. Yan, lagyan natin dyan. Okay, then after that, nag-overlap na yung pan natin. Taas natin yan. Yan, yung ating variable. Pagkatapos ng class is we're going to set the conditions for if get sabi dyan, yan, set tayo ng conditions sa part na yan. If so if energy is equal to 0, we're going to call game over. So lagay tayo dyan ng variable. So get natin, samat muna tayo. If energy is equal to 0, so get the variables. get the energy variable. Mag-set muna tayo dyan. Yan. Ano? And format, ano? Kung lang sana to, kung code lang sana, tinype na natin. Ano? Yan, 0. And then, we're going to call now the game over. Yan. I-call natin yung game over function. So, yan lang, class, no? Kapag yung ladybug natin naubos yung energy mo. Mag-game over. Yan. Okay. So, tapos na tayo dun sa ating second version of the procedure ladybug. Okay. So, next tayo, class, is yung ating yung naman na, yung sa may apid naman, yung kakainin niya naman na. Okay. So, that's for part 3. Ano? Ituloy natin sa part 3. Ano? So, yan na yung sa ating pag-update ng ladybug. Okay, doon naman tayo sa my apid. Okay, so, see you in next video, part 3. Rest lang ako konti.